AI is replacing the job, and that is not a theory anymore. It's already happening. Developer, tester, analyst, everyone in IT is worried. But here it is something that actually most of the videos get completely wrong. Every AI system, every automations and every tools that replaces the jobs is still built, managed, secure and maintained by the humans. So today I will show you 6 high-paying IT jobs that AI can't even replace. And in the end, I will reveal one of the bonus roles most of the people think is dying, but it's actually the core of everything. So if you are from IT or aspiring to get into the IT, watch this till the end so that you will not have to regret later on after taking a decision and wasting years. So AI doesn't replace the peoples, it replaces the low decision work. The more decisions your role involves, the safer your career is. So the first one here is the technical product manager. Yes, the technical product manager can use different kind of AI tools, but it can't be replaced by the AI. And here is the why. They take vague business ideas and turn into the business plans. And they actually decide which product and what product actually and how it will be built. And they have the responsibility to involve everyone else, like the leadership, team members, engineers, and they decide and align everybody else together to build the product according to the business requirement. And here in this case, definitely AI can help with the data clarity or maybe some of the ideas, but it can't manage the peoples, it can't convince the team members and motivate them to actually work on the real industry need and requirement to build the products. And the second one here is cybersecurity professionals, because these are the people who actually take responsibility to respond to an incident at first. They take a responsibility to find the loopholes, because the hacker is always trying to attack and breach the systems by different way. They are actually unpredictable, right? So always human intervention need according to the business need and understanding and what actually the risk involved to take further next step to solve those problems. So definitely it will not be replaced by the AI, because human is the one who you could definitely trust the most than that of the tools or any kind of software when it comes to fixing that of solution which we might need in this process. And the third one here is enterprise architect and the solution architect, because they are the one who think the bigger pictures. They know how the actually various system works together. It might be the old system, maybe new system, maybe cloud system. So these architects are the one who actually take the responsibility to suggest the stakeholder and make sure each of the system works together. And they convince the stakeholder which of the systems should be used and which should not be used according to the business requirement, because they understand how this system works. And AI can't do this on this level. And the fourth one here is the platform engineer or site reliability engineers, who actually make sure the platforms are running and actually they fix the big outage and take the responsibility to be confirmed that platform is actually running and it is reliable and ongoing. And AI cannot replace this, because outages are the messy situations. Definitely AI can suggest few of the fixes, but we can't completely rely on this. Deciding what actually would be the next step and safest step that needs to be done urgently, which is to be taken by the human itself. Coordinating with a lot of peoples and helping to calm down the customers. So here in this case, definitely human judgment is required. So AI can never replace this role as well. And the fifth one here we have is the IT governance and the risk compliance, because here in this case, they take a responsibility and make sure that company follows the rules and the law according to the industries. And also they make sure that they follow the security standard and help company manage the exceptions. Because we know that company is always answerable to that of the regulators, and they expecting not the AI but actually the human to connect with them, because we know that the companies are answerable to that of the regulators and they are just expecting the humans who will be responding to them according to the situations and manages the part of the governance, right? So you will definitely always need a human. They are not expecting an AI who will be responding to them. Yes, we know that laws changes, regulation changes, and business risk as well changes. And regulator don't talk to AI. They actually expect a responsible human. And that accountability cannot be automated. And the sixth one here is the role of CXOs and the leadership level. In CXOs, we can say the CEO, CLO, CFO, CEO, whatever it is. And in leadership level, it might be the engineering managers, maybe tech leads. And most of them will not even touch by the AI, because these are the roles where business decisions are made. Yes, for sure, they can use the AI tools, different kind of, but AI can never replace these. So it just simply means the higher you climb the corporate ladder, the safer you will become replacing from AI. Now let's talk about the roles everyone says it is dying. The software engineering. Every role we discuss today exists because software exists. All of the roles revolves around the software, and the software are built by the developers. So if there is no developers, there won't be any kind of software. So no developer means no product. And if there is no product, no business. And if no business, there is nothing to actually automate. So no, coding is not dead. What actually dying is the low skills and copy paste coding. The engineers who actually understand the system, security, maintenance, scalability are becoming more valuable, not less. And I have made a complete video on these topics, that coding is actually not dead if you are using it properly, and you will get a complete clarity and you will not have any kind of fear. Within 5 to 10 minutes, you will get a complete understanding whether you should choose this IT industry or not. So make sure you go through this to have a complete understanding first before you're going to take any kind of decisions, so that you might not regret later on. So here is the real question. Will IT professionals disappear, or will they evolve into more decision making roles? Let me know in the comment section. I will go through once. See you very soon. Until then, have a nice life.